Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to design cover for your Instagram highlights. So in this video, I will tell you two different ways to design a cover photo for your Instagram stories highlight. So I will show you on my mobile screen how to design this. So this is my Instagram page. So first of all, you need to download one application, that is Canva. You can download it from Play Store, or you can also open it in a browser, canva.com. I will also add the link in my video description. So once you will open, the interface will be in this way. Just search as highlight. You will see the option as Instagram story highlights cover. So here you will find many templates. Here you can see. So I will open few and I will show you. Like you can see this one. This is very simple and very attractive. The second one is, there are so many templates. You just need to pick and use it as a cover. Here you can see there are so many designs. You will find so many here. You can find. So this is how you can get a design. Like if you want to add something here, like if you want to pick this one and you need to change the text, just click on this one. So once this will open, just tap on this and type whatever you want. Click on this. You can change the color, whatever you want to change. So this is how you can edit if you want. So this is a first method. So now I will show you the second method. So as you can see, there is no highlights cover for love songs. Okay, so again I will go to Canva application and here I will search as Instagram stories. Okay, so after clicking on this one, I will select a blank one. So you can change the color you want. So just click on this color and you can change whatever color you want. Okay, so for now I just want to show you, so I will keep it simple. Okay, now I will click on this plus icon and I will click on illustration. Here you will see the first option as shape. Click on this and I will select the shape, the circle one. Yeah, so now I will change the color of this circle by clicking on plus. So I wanted to make pink, light pink. Yeah, so after this I will click on plus icon. I will go to illustrations and search as, you can see what I am searching here. Click on search and here you can see one sticker which is two couples sitting and using same headphone. So I will select this. I will minimize the size and I will fit within this circle. And if you want to change the color of this image, you can also change it from here. You can see the option is here. So for now I just want to show you the process. So yeah, so this is ready and I will click on save icon. So this design is saved to my gallery. So now I will go to my Instagram highlight. I will click on this one. I will click on three dot here, you can see. I will click on edit highlights and after this I will click on edit cover and I will click on this photo icon here, and I will select this photo. I will maximize the size. I will fit it into my circle. Yeah, now I will click on next. I will click on done once again. So it's loading. So now you can see the highlight is created and it's looking good and simple. You can customize the color. You have option there uh, which you want to make, and you can make it more attractive. So thanks for watching this video, and I hope this video is useful for you.